Ask any petrolhead and they'll tell you why they absolutely love this car. 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds, top speed of 310 kilometers per hour. Powered by a 4-liter flat-6 naturally aspirated engine that generates 493 horsepower and 460 Nm of torque.
This is the road-legal, track-ready Porsche 991.1 GT3 RS, the epitome of a naturally aspirated 911. I'm Darren from AutoDetailer Studio, and welcome to our All Access vlog.
The Porsche 991.1 GT3 RS is a track-oriented version of the 911 range, with an upsized engine and a plethora of race-engineered goodies. This is in more ways than one, the ultimate 911. The RS in its name stands for the German word Rennsport, which means racing sport. It comes with a carbon fiber hood, a 12 o'clock marker on the steering wheel, and a special model name embroidery on the Alcantara interior, among other exciting features. This unit is spec'd in a 7-speed dual-clutch PDK. This car had gone through many a spirited drive and had since accumulated damages, especially on its windshield, paintwork, front diffusers, and lower side skirts. It also had a low-quality pre-cut paint protection film installed previously, which had deteriorated from use. The GT3 RS is in for our popular vehicle reconditioning program, where we give used or pre-owned cars a new lease of life via restoration and detailing. Before any detailing work is done, selected panels of the car were first restored and then repainted in its original lava orange finish. Detailing a track car is a slightly different flavor to that of a regular daily drive, as a track car comes with extra features such as full bucket seats, Alcantara, carbon fiber interior and exterior trims, a roll cage, and all of which require specific products to detail, each of them requiring different techniques and processes. With our signature detailing program, this GT3 RS undergoes a comprehensive multi-stage paintwork correction process to correct imperfections and to achieve its best finish. This is a 3-week detailing process that has no equal. Each section of the coachwork is given equal attention, even as the Porsche carbon ceramic brakes are detailed to perfection. After all restorative, repainting and detailing works were completed, the client wanted to protect the paintwork from future damages and opted to install ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film. ClearGuard Alpha is an industry-leading clear paint protection film system that features new carbon-based technology which enables it to heal with oxygen when lightly scratched. Paired with a custom installation of the film, the GT3 RS will have complete coverage across all its panel edges and will have its paintwork protected against stone chips, bird lime, acid rain, staining, and oxidation. And finally, to provide comfort to the cabin bay against our hot and humid climate, the client opted to install Spectra PhotoSync IRD. Spectra PhotoSync IRD is a high-performance automotive window tint that has 99% rejection rate against infrared radiation, UVA and UVB rays, and up to 80% of total solar energy rejection.
That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more content like this. I'm Darren. As always, thanks for watching.